I'm trying to find a route to access where they did their stairs. I saying they put the concrete there, so. Oops, I gotta leave here. They're building up there, mate. Ooh. Ooh, dangerous. Ooh, dangerous, boy. Dangerous, boy. How they're doing the stairs. They chucked the concrete in there, and now the man is fixing up. How they do the stairs. How the hell am I supposed to go up there? There we go. Before they started the stairs. Steps here, baby. Steps here. One language. Hello. Okay. Yuzu. My question. Air conditioner. Okay, oh, where I hit what? Okay. Go now.
I'm laughing less. Oh no, if I vote, well, if you are going,
If I vote. Right, I knew I'll make it. So now I've made the top bit. This is what it looks like. You see me running, that means they put excellent thing. Wow. That's what it looks like there. So they worked it from the stairs coming down. It's not easy work, boy. Fucking easy work. They're burying the pipes. See? There was some. Oh, okay. So that's what the pipes look like. I was going to discuss something last time. So when I was asking about the pipe work, the plumbing, and so basically that one there shares with 2 different apartments, and that shares with 1. And I asked him, why did they do it like that? And he said to me, it's all cost related. And I said to him, I wasn't given a choice. So basically, you can see here, that's a flat on its own. That one is a flat on its own. And on the far side, they've got like some 2 things. So these 2 pipes are 2 different toilets. Flat A, flat B. And they link to this one, big one, and goes down. So he was trying to save me costs. But I had no idea. And that mimics the kitchen as well. So that's the kitchen. So this kitchen is on its own. This kitchen here is on its own. And this one is shared. And I said, why doesn't everyone have its own? And he said it's related to cost. So it was designed for me to use. So I keep talking about knowing what you want first. So next time, ask about the piping, ask about the electrical work, everything. Oh, so what's the electric going to be? Where's the service pipe? That reminds me. I didn't ask about the service pack. Luckily, I haven't finished paying him, so I think it will be helpful. But he's just around the corner. So you need to ask the relevant questions. The way they're going, they will take. It's not easy, but they lift it. Ooh, it's going to strain me, boy. I just wanted to give you lot a view of what it looked like. I'm going to cover it in cement in a second. So if all my subscribers, if you can chip in a bit of money to get me a new top, I'll be happy. I think I better have your cash ready because in this heat, I don't think I'll even take bank transfer. So, just to reiterate, at the beginning they had 3 operators, 2 operators when we did downstairs, but up here they were 3. I'm assuming the stairs, when we go 1 up, they'll have 4. Next time I might use a concrete mixer, like a machine, and then a lot of people are getting jobs through this, so I don't mind. But yeah, that's how it looks. So they got 1 mason. What's the other mason? Oh, he's by the stairs. So there's 1 master doing the stairs, 1 doing here, and the foreman is another master, but he's kind of looking after everything, but he's a mason as well. Then they have 3 people wheeling the thing. Then they have 2 operators up here, 1 downstairs. So easy, man. I don't know why they're not wearing boots. So easy. And what will happen if you mount to operators? If you mount 2 operators and an out of the operator, you have 2 machines. Wouldn't it be quicker? I suppose it's all related to cost. It's not really that. Yeah, all related to cost. These brothers are strong, bro. It takes physical strength to lift this thing. It's not easy. So they're waiting for the thing to come through. Oh man, I want to hook him up after that. My friend's been there all day, so we might have to go and get something to eat. And the foreigner, so when I say foreigner, I mean he's a guest, so yeah, I might get some watermelon, mate. I might get some watermelon.